In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In a house next to that of mine, a family is having a pair of parrots. A family is having a pair of parrots in the cage. These are beautiful parrots, and these parrots are good to look upon. I'm not advocating that what they are doing is the right or ethical one, not at all. Not suggesting the other people to go for the same thing. Whether it is ethical or unethical, that keeping it aside, because that is not going to be talked about now, not going to be debated about upon now. We are going to say something else about it. These parrots keep making noise. After all, they do have to consume their energy, the energy which they are gaining from the food. They keep making noise. Since they don't have to fly, they can't fly. So hence the energy which they are possessing, which they are acquiring from the food, is going to be spent upon the talking or the noise making. That is the sole consumption of it. Now sometime the owner of these parrots do enjoy their noise. Usually they don't like it. And they are found saying, speaking, instructing to their parrots repeatedly, stop, stop, stop now, stop now, stop now. But these parrots does not understand the human language. They cannot understand what their owners are saying. Hence they don't comply to the instructions. They keep making noise. Now these the owners of these parrots do irritated feel somewhat irritated, and their irritation is because of their own foolishness. How they can opt to ignore, they should have opted to ignore the noise of the parrots, but they could not understand, and they don't understand, they don't control. Hence their attention remains towards the parrots for quite some time in a day. The attention of these people remain towards their parrots for quite some time in a day. Feeling irritated and instructing the parrots. They should have ignored it. Once, if at all, you are ignoring it, were they ignoring it, they would have saved the time they are found spending listening to the listening to the parrots, looking upon the parrots. So ignoring was the very right thing here. Instead of feeling irritated repeatedly, instead of instructing them repeatedly. Now there is another thing which is interesting enough. Some of the people catch the sparrows or other type of birds, put into the cages, and take to the bazaar, to the market, asking the kind hearted people to buy and to get those birds free. Some of the kind hearted peoples pay the money and set the birds, the sparrows, free. These kind hearted peoples think that they are doing something very good because they do have the sympathy. They are sympathizing the birds. There is no doubt that these people are kind hearted people. They have the feelings, the noble feelings. These are the sincere and the nice people with a willingness to sacrifice for the other creatures, for the humans. But these people are the people who are spending money, giving the money to the catcher of the birds. These people are not sensible enough people. They are somewhat foolish. Why? Because they are not setting the birds free, rather, the birds are being caught and put into the cages because of these kind hearted people. Had they not spent money on setting these birds free, those birds would not have been caught. The birds are being caught and put into the cages, brought it to the market, to the bazaar, only because there are certain people who can pay money for the freedom of these birds. Even today, if these kind hearted people stop paying the money and spend this money on needy humans or in any other great cause, nothing is better than helping a needy human being. Instead of paying the money as a ransom to the as a paying the money as a ransom to the bird catchers, these kind-hearted people are actually responsible for the birds being caught and put into prison, put into the cages. These kind-hearted people are responsible. Even if these people stop paying the ransom money, even today, if these kind-hearted people stop paying money to the bird catchers, the bird catchers will stop catching those birds, and the birds will remain free. So, what is the difference in the what is to be learnt out of both of these cases? And the something which can be learnt, which should be learnt, is that you need to have enough senses. You need to have good senses. Being kind-hearted person, it is fine. Be somewhat sensible. In the first case, in the case of the parrots, they are not kind-hearted. Rather, there is a lack of kindness here. Maybe because that is the reason the birds are being put into the cages. But though many of the birds today are being born in the cages, so they don't know what is the freedom. So somehow not going to make comment upon whether putting the birds in the cages is the right thing or the wrong thing, but those people who are not having enough senses, that is why they were feeling irritated and kept instructing their parrots to stop talking, to stop making noise. Otherwise, the use of good senses mean that they should have totally ignored, not paying heed toward to the noise of the parrots, and stay busy in what you are doing, either mentally or physically. Thank you.